Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Morning, or afternoon. Let me see here. Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for an arraignment with Van Buren Township. A Jason Robert Warala, Warala.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Warala, I'm the magistrate here at the court today. Today's the date and time set for an arraignment today. These are just allegations. I'm not saying that you're guilty. I'm just putting you on judicial notice of the charges you're formally being charged with. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The alleged offense date is October 7th this year, Presidential Lane at Rawsonville Road in Van Buren Township. Andrea Aku, Winston Brown, or that's Andrea Aku, Winston Brown, and a Broderick Osborne's a complainant victim. Count one charges you, Jason Robert Warala, with one count of assault with a dangerous weapon, also known as felony as assault. They're alleging that you did make an assault upon an Andrea Winston Brown with a dangerous weapon, to wit a baseball bat, without intending to commit the crime of murder or inflict great bodily harm less than the crime of murder in violation of 750.82. It's a felony that, if you're found guilty, you could be sentenced up to 4 years in prison and fined up to $1,000 DNA to be taken upon arrest. Count two charges you with the same charge of assault with a dangerous weapon. They're alleging you did make an assault upon a Broderick Osborne with a dangerous weapon, to wit a baseball bat, but without intending to commit the crime of murder or inflict great bodily harm less than the crime of murder in violation of 750.82. And again, if you're found guilty on that charge, you could be sentenced up to 4 years in prison and fined up to $2,000 DNA to be taken upon arrest. Mr. Warala, you don't have an attorney present today. You have the right to a trial before a judge or before a jury, and you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say orally and or in writing can be used against the court. You've been fingerprinted on these charges, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. The next step in these proceedings is what's called a preliminary examination. That's not a trial at which your guilt or innocence to be established. It's a hearing to determine if there's enough evidence to hold you for trial. Since you don't have an attorney present today, I'm entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf. I'm going to schedule this matter for a probable cause hearing. Whoever filled out this bond, or is that bond recommendations that you, Mark?
No, that was Detective Bettendorf, I believe.
Any comments on bond?
Your Honor, I believe that he is not going to get into any more trouble. He hasn't been in trouble in years. He can stay away from the complainants in this, and I think a PR bond, if the court would allow it, would do what he needs to do, and he'll be there.
Well, there's serious charges.
Yes, Your Honor.
4-year felony. Where do you live, Mr. Warala?
On Rawsonville Road, 51299 Freedoms Way, Belleville, Michigan.
Is that in Presidential Estates?
Yes, it's about a mile from here, sir.
It's about a mile from where you're at right now.
Yes, sir.
Well, Presidential Lane and Rawsonville Road, and the complainant victims, Officer Buxton, what is his proximity to there?
They are a couple of blocks away neighbors.
Okay, so listen close, Mr. Warala. Pay close attention to detail. No contact with the complainant victims in this case, am I clear?
Yes, sir. No
third-party contact. You can't send a message to a family member or friend. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
No cell phone, text messaging, or any type of electronic contact on cell phones, telephones, or social media. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
If you violate this, you're going to be arrested and brought back before us here at the court. Your bond's $5,000 personal with those conditions.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Case number 20-1562.
Okay.
Contact information I think's already been given to my clerk up front. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
Again, what is your address, Mr. Warala?
51299 Freedoms Way, Belleville, Michigan, 48111.
Okay. Mark, I think we're all set. Do we agree?
Your Honor, I didn't get the court date. for his PCC?
It's going to be, I must have missed that. It's October 21st this year, 9:30 a.m.
Thank you, sir.
We're all set.
Yep.
Thank you, sir.